Hi Loc Lovers, it's me Natty-Ann. Welcome to my channel. If you're a Loc lover like me, subscribe to this channel for more. So today I'm going to show you guys how I get those big buns that you've seen in my previous video. And also the video before that where I was showing you different loc styles. I hope you guys tuned into it. If you haven't, go ahead and watch those videos. So I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it. And here's the thing. Full disclosure, full disclaimer. When I do styles, I freestyle it, right? There's a method to my madness, but that doesn't mean that my style is gonna come out exactly the same. Maybe, you know, it looks a little different or tweaked. So I'm letting you know right now. So we're gonna do this together and I'm just gonna show you the steps that I go through to get the style. Hope you guys enjoy and learn a little bit about it. Okay, so obviously when you start out, you want your hair to be down, right? And since it's gonna be two buns, you want to part down the middle of your head. Some of us may have parting to where it's perfectly symmetrical, and a lot of us don't. So I'm one of the ones that don't. So I'm just going to part my hair down the middle as best as I can. So you see how that looks? That's good enough for me. And I'm just running my hands down the back of my head. See, this one is like perfectly in the middle, so I guess it doesn't matter which way it goes. See, look, something wanna get stuck in my hair. Okay. So there it is, right? Two sides. Now what I'm gonna do is take the front of my hair, just a little bit from the front. You see that? It's just a little bit. And then I'm gonna make a small bun, small loose bun. So this is gonna be the center of the really large bun that we're creating. Okay, it's loose. And the reason why I need it to be loose is because once I'm wrapping hair around the bun, it's gonna feel more snug. It's gonna get tighter and tighter, and you don't want to give yourself a headache. So see that? Super loose. And you wanna push it back a little bit. You don't want the bun to be too close to the hairline. Then I'm gonna just start taking hair and wrapping it around the bun. And if you've watched some of my earlier videos, you know what I love to do. Tuck it. So I'm not using any pins or any extra styling tools for my hair. I'm gonna grab a little bit more, right? And I'm gonna wrap it around the other way. And I'm gonna tuck that. Then I'm gonna take a little bit more. I don't have a lot left. I'm gonna wrap that around. Any loose locks, just go ahead and tuck it in. I'm gonna tuck that up. And then for my last section, I'm trying to see. I feel like I want this on this side. No. Okay, so for the last section, do I want it wrapped this way or the other way? I don't know. I think this is where you're gonna have to play with it. I think I want it this way. Okay, and I'm finding a way to tuck it. I'm finding a way. Finding a way to make my bun secure. I feel like this bun looks a little different to what I had in my previous videos. So I'm telling you, it always looks different, but that's not a bad thing. Okay. So I'm going to repeat the process on this side, right? And I'm gonna make a bun, my base bun. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Be sure not to make it too tight. Okay. Push it a little back from the hairline. Take this lovely section and I'm gonna reinforce my bun by wrapping it around and tucking it. Period. And then I'm gonna take some more ooh, okay. Make sure you feel around so you're not missing any. And then we're gonna go the opposite direction, right? And then I'm gonna tuck these bad boys in. Make sure you're tucking it so it feels secure. I'm gonna take this side right here. I'm going to wrap it in this direction. I love switching the directions because it just makes it feel a little more secure so it won't just unravel on you. And I'm tucking that there. Yep, it's starting to take shape. This is the last section. Bringing it in. And I'm tucking it. Any loose sections you see, what am I gonna say? Just tuck it. Exactly. Exactly. And that is how I do my 2 buns. I try to keep my ears tucked in because if I take it out, it's literally going to be like this. So I just keep my ears tucked. Okay. Now, if you want to make your bun a little smaller or make it appear to be a little more compact, just try to, you know, tuck the base in a little bit. Just try to tuck the base in. You know, if you want edges out and all of that. See, try to tuck the base in if you care. I'm literally shocked that I could still do this hairstyle at this length. I have so much hair, my hair is so long, and I could still pull this off. And it's big. Yes, the ones are extra big, but I think it's fabulous. It's fun. Like, I'm really excited. I like it. So you can do this style whether your hair is medium length or extra, extra long, which is awesome. So I can't stop looking at it. So you guys, you have to try this out, even if you just want to play around with your hair and just take some selfies. Please go ahead and do it. This is so much fun. This is a fun hairstyle. And this is what I love about locks. You can do the most random hairstyles, right? Or let me not say random. You can actually do the most simple hairstyles like 2 buns and it just looks like something so intricate and extra that you just, you know, took a million hours to complete. No, you guys saw me. I wrapped my hair up like this so quick. So I'm sure that you guys can do it in under a few, maybe 10 minutes or so. It's just too good. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. Remember, if you're a lock lover like me, please subscribe. And I would love to see your comments below. Bye, guys. And that is it. There you have it. My 2 big ass buns that was requested by one of my lovely subscribers. Thank you for asking for the little tutorial. I hope that cleared some things up and maybe you could try it on your own locks. And if you do, please show me. I want to see.